First of all, install the Jailbreak tool and cover. There are two ways here. Method 1. Open Panda Helper, search and download Uncover. Wait for it to finish downloading and install it. Method 2. Download Uncover through the PC tool Alt Signer and sign and install. Download and open Alt Signer. Connect your phone to your computer via USB cable. Input your Apple ID account and password. Download Uncover iOS 13.5 Jailbreak by clicking Start button. Click Select after the downloading is complete. Click Start and wait for signing progress complete. This process will take several minutes. After the signing process is complete, you can see Uncover that have been successfully signed in the list below. Click Install. The Uncover will be installed on your phone. Before opening Uncover, you need to go Setting, General, Profiles and Device Management, trust the developer app. Then enjoy No Revoked Uncover.
And open it up, and we're going to tap on Jailbreak. And after you do that, you're going to receive a little pop-up from the sponsor. You can go ahead and exit out of it, and it will say Jailbreak completed. You can tap OK. The jailbreak is actually not fully done yet. What it just did was created a backup of the root FS or file system. It made a snapshot. Now that snapshot is really useful because if you go to unjailbreak, it's going to use said snapshot to restore everything back to your unjailbroken state. Don't worry, it will not affect any of your user or app data. It leaves all of that fully untouched. It's just going to revert the system files to how they were prior to the jailbreak. And after that, it's just going to reboot, and you can go ahead and enter your device's passcode, swipe on over to Uncover again, and then you're going to tap on Jailbreak, and it's going to go through the full jailbreak process at this point, and then your device should just have to respring. So it will just take a little bit right here. And once the jailbreak's complete, I want to show you guys inside of Cydia that it does in fact confirm that this device is running iOS 13.5. So you can see it says jailbreak completed. Let's go ahead and tap on OK. And I have noticed that sometimes right here, the device will not display the Apple logo, in which case you'll have to reboot manually. And you can do that with a combination of key presses. On the iPhone 10 style devices, you just press volume up, volume down, and you hold the side button. But at any rate, it worked. We have Cydia. We can go ahead and tap into it to open. And I want to show you guys, like I said, at the bottom that we are running iOS 13.5. So it does confirm that this iPhone, being identifier 11,6, aka the iPhone XS Max, is running iOS 13.5.
All you want to do is go ahead and open up Cydia. You'll come into a page like this. You want to click on Sources, which is right here. You want to click Edit. You want to click Add, and you want to copy the link that I have in the description right here. So it'll say repo, or it'll say use this repo or whatever, and you just want to copy that link and click paste right here, and it should be a link that looks like that, and you just want to add source. Now I already have this source added, and basically it's Karen's repo, which is right here. I know Karen kind of has a bad reputation right now, and did I just delete it? But there's that repo, so you can have it right there. So once you do have that, all you want to do is click the search button that's down here. You want to click search right up there, and you just want to type in AppSync, and usually at this point you will see AppSync Unified. That'll come up, so you can just go ahead and tap on it. You can go and click modify. You can go and click install now. I already have it installed, but you can go and click install now.
If AppSync Unified plugins install fails, you need to install Apple FileCon with 2 plugins.
Go to search, and then you can search for Apple space file conduit 2, and then you can see it say compatible with iOS 1 to iOS 13, and as you can see, and then you can hit on install, and then hit on confirm, and then you can restart.
Download the jailbreak version on Panda Helper official website. Open Panda Helper jailbreak version. You will see a lot of hacked games and tweaked apps. Choose your favorite games to download. No more app revoke problems.